Have you ever found yourself pondering the intricate tapestry of human existence, wondering how ancient traditions seamlessly weave into the fabric of our modern lives? Today, let's embark on an enlightening journey together, exploring the profound teachings of Buddhism and their surprising resonance with the cutting-edge insights of science. Picture this: a convergence of spirituality and neuroscience that holds the key to unlocking your inner potential. Intrigued? Join me as we unravel the wisdom behind an unconventional meditation practice, one that not only transcends time, but is also embraced by both doctors and seekers of wellness alike. Greetings, fellow seekers of knowledge and transformation. Welcome back to the haven for those curious minds seeking unconventional paths to personal growth. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive deep into a topic that merges ancient wisdom with contemporary science. Have you ever considered how the age-old traditions of Buddhism can still reverberate in our lives today? Brace yourselves, because today we're not just exploring the philosophical depths, but venturing into a realm where science meets spirituality. In a world saturated with hustle and bustle, we often yearn for moments of tranquility, seeking practices that not only connect us with our roots, but also propel us towards a better future. Today's narrative unfolds at the crossroads of tradition and innovation, where a war veteran stumbles upon a transformative meditation practice at Dr. Joe Dispenza's conference. What makes this meditation unique? It's not your typical sit-and-breathe scenario. Rather, it's a practice that seamlessly integrates with the ebb and flow of your daily life, promising profound shifts without devouring your precious time. This isn't just another meditation. It's a game changer. And you're about to get the key. What if I told you that within you lies the power to make the changes you desire? I know it might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. It's not about relying on external forces. It's about realizing that the catalyst for change resides within. So, before we dive into the depths of ancient secrets, take a moment to comment. This year is going to be the best year of my life, setting a positive intention for the transformative journey ahead. So, join me in this exploration of walking meditation, a practice that transcends the boundaries of tradition and aligns seamlessly with scientific discoveries. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, where we not only explore the transformative power of meditation, but also provide you with a guided session to try for yourself. Before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to become a part of our community, and let's continue to explore the exciting paths that await us. Let us transport ourselves into the immersive setting of Dr. Joe Dispenza's conference, a convergence of seekers, each carrying their unique burdens and histories. Among them, a war veteran stands, a living testament to resilience and the human spirit. Little does he anticipate that within the walls of this transformative event, he is on the brink of a profound encounter that will alter the trajectory of his life. In this scenario, we unearth a meditation experience curated by Dr. Joe Dispenza, an experience that stands apart from the conventional notions of meditation. Unlike the stereotypical images of sitting cross-legged in solitude, this meditation beckons with a promise that transformation need not consume the scarce resource of time, but can unfold within the cadence of our daily lives. The intrigue thickens as we grasp the notion that, in the next moments, we are to receive the key to unlocking a dormant power within. This meditation isn't a fleeting trend. It's a realization that the locus of change isn't external, but resides within the very core of our being. As gleaned from the teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza, meditation, particularly the practice of walking meditation, emerges as the conduit to reshape the contours of our existence. The emphasis shifts from seeking external solutions to recognizing the latent potential lying dormant within ourselves. To understand the mechanics of this practice, let's venture into the intricate tapestry of walking meditation, a practice that has endured through the ages within the corridors of Buddhist monasteries. It's not just about placing one foot in front of the other. It's an intricate dance between paying acute attention and unwavering concentration. The correlation with quantum physics is fascinating. The act of observation, even in the seemingly mundane task of walking, sets forth a chain reaction. This journey of self-reflection intertwines our physical movements with the rhythmic beats of our hearts. The dance of observation and concentration becomes a portal, unlocking the latent potential encoded within our quantum selves. In a world where everything is interconnected, this practice becomes a transformative catalyst, opening up a realm of boundless possibilities. It's time to transition from theory to practice. Imagine finding a serene spot and embarking on a simple walking meditation journey. The focal point is a specific part of your body, perhaps your feet. As you take deliberate steps, let your mind roam freely, exploring the space your feet occupy. Visualize not only the physical act, but also embodying the essence of the person you aspire to become. This is more than just a practice. It's a technique honed over millennia by Buddhist monks, transcending the immediacy of the moment and delving into the profound depths of self-discovery. The intriguing question emerges: does this unconventional practice bear tangible results? Enter Dr. Joe Dispenza and a league of scientists dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of meditation's impact on our brainwaves and overall well-being. Their research unveils a compelling truth. Positive changes initiated through meditation transcend the confines of our minds, permeating through our entire bodies, fostering healing and renewal. The narrative takes an extraordinary turn as we delve into the first-hand account of a war veteran grappling with persistent pain. His journey unfolds as a testament to the transformative potential embedded within walking meditation. It's not just a fleeting anecdote. It's a real-life testament to the profound shift that awaits those who embrace this practice. As we navigate through the realms of ancient wisdom and contemporary understanding, we uncover a transformative potential that lies within each step of our walking meditation practice. It's a journey that transcends time, harmonizing the echoes of ancient traditions with the resonances of modern science. Stay tuned, for the odyssey of self-discovery has just begun. The power to shape your reality resides within, an eternal truth that echoes through the corridors of ancient traditions and reverberates in the findings of modern science. Remember, every goal is within reach. Start by incorporating just a minute of meditation into your daily routine and watch as your body naturally masters this practice. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join our community, and let's continue exploring new possibilities together. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery. Until our next video, take care, embrace the exciting paths that await you, and always remember, you are the creator of your world. See you in the next video.